Hi everyone, I'm Sydney and welcome to my very first YouTube video. I love watching this plant grow day by day. It makes me so happy. You can see the peanut plant. This plant take about a week. I came here in the evening because look at this. The sunset between the trees is just so beautiful. I really like these moments we use in the water flowers. It is the not traditional method. The nature give us everything we need a long time. Today was such a peaceful and beautiful day here on the farm. I really enjoyed spending time with the plant. Thank you so much for watching my first video. I will see you again on the new day. Bye.